Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to get the source code of a website using HTTP web request and HTTP web response in your C# application. So let's get started. First of all, we will take a button and we will take a text box and we will take a rich text box. So this is a rich text box, and this button I will change the text of this button and I will change it as get source code. When this button is pressed, it will give us the source code of the website. Okay, and this text box I will use it for entering the URL of the website. So I will change the name of this text box as text box URL and text box URL, and this rich text box will contain the source code. So let's get started. So just take these three things: a button, a text box, and a rich text box, and just click your button and double click it, and in here we will write our code. So first of all, we need to import some using derivatives. So first using we are going to use is using system.net, because we are going to use HTTP web request and web response, so this will give you those classes. And second thing we are going to use is stream reader, so we will add using system.io. So add these two namespaces, and in your button click event. First of all, what we will do is we will declare a string URL is equal to the text box text. So text box URL dot text. Okay, so this is the text box name and this is the text which we are using, and then we will declare HTTP web request first. So write HTTP web request and we will give it a variable name. Request is equal to, and we will cast this request as HTTP web request once again, and then we will write web request dot create. So here we will write dot create and we will pass our URL string here. So we are passing of whatever we enter in the text box, we are converting it into this string and we are passing this string or URL to the HTTP web request. Then we will create a HTTP web response. So write web response response is equal to, once again we will cast our web response and we will write here this request here dot web or dot get response. Okay, now we have this request and response, and now we want to transfer our source code or response to the rich text box. So how can we do this? We will create a stream reader. So write stream reader sr is equal to new stream reader, and in the bracket we will pass this response dot get response stream and bracket closed. And now we will pass this stream to the rich text box. So our rich text box name is rich text box 1 dot text is equal to this stream reader sr dot read to end, because we want to read till last, and we will close this stream reader once again. So s stream reader close. Okay, so we are ready to run the code. This is the code for entering the URL and getting the response for the source code. So let's try and run the program. So it's running, and for example I want to give the source code of my website www.programmingknowledge.org. so I will copy the URL for that and I will paste it in here in the text box. Okay, and I will click this get source code, and you see here all the source code from the website comes into this rich text box. So I just wanted to show you how you can use these HTTP web request and HTTP web response. That's why I have shown you this code. The simplest way to get the source code is just go to the website and right click and just click view source code, and you will be able to see the source code of the website. But I just wanted to show you how to do it programmatically. That's why I have shown you this code. So I hope you have learned something new this time. Please keep watching these videos and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.